Check 1, 2. Let's go over this process of purchasing and then downloading and installing your software. So we'll go through, I'm assuming you guys have already passed this point. However, I'm still going to very quickly create a dummy order. Okay, and when we go through this, let's assume you guys grabbed the bonuses. If you do get this page shown to you, some will, some won't. We only choose a certain amount of people that get this page shown per day. So let's say you do decide to go through with the platinum upgrade, and then you do decide to go with our commercial license. And you can get these afterwards too. Don't worry, you can upgrade to them at any time. You'll come to this page that has 3 different buttons, okay? The very first one is where you go to get your actual software. Let's go and do this. This will take you to a page that says thank you for your order. It'll show you your invoice number. It'll show you your login, okay? You need to log into this area to get your software. Down here, you'll have the packages again in case you missed them or they didn't display for you during your purchase process. So what you need to do is note this. Your email is your username and your invoice is your password. What we're going to do now is go to the login area. We're going to paste the invoice that we just copied from the other page. That invoice number is your password, and you're going to put in your email that you use to purchase with. Once you do this, you're going to be able to log in and start the process. And we're going to show you how to do this shortly. Just 1 second here. Before we do, we're going to go through the others. If you got the VIP Platinum package, remember, once you go and install everything, come back to this page to get the other 2 things. First one being the Platinum package. You'll come here, you'll download your ebook. Okay, save the file. It'll show you how to make money and get to the next step with your beats. And then here, as you scroll down a little further, you'll have both the house and the urban preset beats that come with the Platinum package. Close that window, go back. And here, if you have gotten the commercial license, we've got you on our roster as having a commercial license. This will just link you to a JPEG file. Don't worry about it. It's just us saying thank you at the end of the day for purchasing it. So you can close that and proceed with installing the actual software. We'll show you how to do that right now. Welcome to DUBTurbo's members area. Thank you very much for purchasing. What we'll do in this video is walk you through the download and install, so you guys should have no problems downloading and installing DUBTurbo for both Mac or the PC. So we'll click on download and install right here, or here or here. All 3 of these buttons will take you to the same page. This will be literally a 2-step process for you, and the 3rd step is just unlocking the kit, which is just you pasting the email address you used when you ordered when it starts up, and that's it. You're good to go. So step 1, get Adobe Air if you don't have it, and if you do have it, just get it anyway to make sure you have the newest one. It's free, it's by Adobe, it's trusted, it's what we use to create our installer so that it works on both Macs, PCs, and online. Step 2, you'll click here. This will actually download the full program, or here if you want to use a text link to be shared, or if your computer gives you problems with either, or if you click on these and nothing happens, right click on it and click save link as or save target as, depending on what version or OS you're on, or what platform you're on, Mac or PC. But you're linking right to the zip file, and when you click on it, it'll ask if you want to save it or open it. You want to actually save it to your machine, don't just open it. And it's a huge file. It's 192 megs. It's got all our samples and everything in it, so it will be a big file. It'll start downloading. We have a fast server, so it won't take you too long. I've already downloaded it, so I'm actually going to just stop that and double-click on my zip file. It'll open in WinRAR or in WinZip or whatever unzipping program you use. And if you don't have one, we offer links to 3 of them right here, and they're free tools. So don't worry, we're not asking you to upgrade or get anything that you have to buy. It's free. So now we'll double-click on the DUBTurbo15.air file. It'll extract itself and start up our installer. Once this happens, you know you're almost done, and it's good to go from here. I'm just going to move this onto the screen so you can see. Install it. It'll show you what directory you want to install it in, and then it'll give you 2 options: to add a desktop icon and to start the application right away. So we'll press continue. It'll install the app. Usually it goes into C program files, and that's where I would recommend you keep it at. Don't install it into some funky directory or a 3rd hard drive that you have that's external or something like that. Try to keep it on your C drive. And on your first run, when you run it, when it asks, if it asks you for email verification, it doesn't for me because I've already got this installed, so it's already verified me. But if it pops up with a window asking you to verify yourself and put in your reg code, you're gonna drop in the email address you used when you ordered, and it'll unlock everything for you. Okay, so now you're good to go. I can start making my beats. I'm not going to just yet, but just so you guys have a quick understanding and walkthrough of how you first install it and get it run for the first time. If you have any problems, drop your email to info or to support@dubturbo.com and we will get back to you right away. Thank you very much. Look forward to hearing you guys' feedback. And one last tip I'll drop is if you do have other questions or if something wonky is happening, before you do email us, click on the FAQ and support button. This will bring you to a 20 some odd step-by-step blueprint on how to get your PC to respond faster and be more optimized for rich media use and for audio use, because we do use heavy 44.1 stereo WAV files. They're all big. Video tutorials, these are straightforward. We introduce the drum machine itself, or sorry, the whole app itself, and then video number 2 is the drum machine, video number 3 is the keyboard, and then video 4 is how to import your own samples. Okay, and then below that we have a major chord chart, so you guys can figure out how to make your melodies and whatnot very easily using these. And then below that we have quick templates of beats and patterns, so you guys can lay out hip-hop, R&B, reggae, or house very easily by using these templates at first, and then you can get creative by spinning them off into your own. Thank you very much for paying attention to this. If you guys do have any problems, like I said, drop us an email at support@dubturbo.com and we'll get you guys sorted right away.